In this video, we will discuss breaking down our research topic into searchable keywords databases will understand. We all search Google nearly every day, entering phrases or questions into a single search box and get pages of results. Scholarly research on databases is a bit different. If I search our entire research question here, I will get 0 results. This doesn't mean there isn't any information, however. Articles are organized on databases by subject terms, or for our purposes, keywords. Rather than searching using natural language, we must break down our research topic into noun-based descriptive terms separated by the words and or. The and combines the terms together in the articles of our search results. Each term combined with and decreases or narrows down the number of search results. Let's try a search. We got 408 results. We can increase our search results by adding an additional term separated by or. Each term separated by or allows us to broaden our search results by connecting related or synonymous terms. Let's try entering all the different ways of describing ultra-processed foods and obesity. We can also expand upon children. We now have a more focused set of search results with a total of 761 articles. In my next video, I will discuss filters and refining search results.